Well, the complete building has been restored, so all the metalwork has been stripped back to bare metal. It's been sanded, it's been re-coated with high quality paint and many coats of paint. 15,000 panes of glass are all new because the glass needed to be replaced. And of course the plants themselves. There are some incredibly special plants in here. There are some plants that are actually extinct in the wild now, so the only living material is held within places such as Kew and one or two other botanic gardens in the world.